If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin update today. So we're looking at Bitcoin currently at the moment, trying to do the following. So you have a little bit of this sideways movement which doesn't make any sense. But one thing I'm going to tell you is that across the board I do see some bullish divergences. Now for a second here, I'm just going to remove this flag here that is potentially getting destroyed at the moment. So you do have something going on with Bitcoin. If I turn on the RSI, fortunately and good enough, you are looking for a divergence that was happening here for Bitcoin. So you can see that we were making some lower lows right there. The RSI was moving to the upside. So we can actually expect to see maybe if Bitcoin could be actually interested to move back up to nearly 92.89 somehow. And then after that, try to drop to the downside. I'm trying to figure out my best how I can interpret this kind of a pattern here. So let's try to do that and see what we can do with this one. So right, it's almost like you're trying to come down, go up. So one thing here was that you had this pattern that you broke out of, but you didn't actually manage to move to the upside. Or perhaps we can try to look at the 2-hour time frame as well. Or we can dive into the 4-hour time frame here and try to see what's going on. I think the 4-hour time frame does make better sense out of this one. So here we go, a little bit of a pattern going on, something like this, not the favorite tracement. I'm going to take the trend line right there. So if you look at the trend line goes off like that, and we might expect Bitcoin to make a move from the top to bottom here and a move all the way to the upside for $21,255. So that's going to be a little bit of that move up for maybe 4.2%, because I do see a lot of bullish divergence at the moment. There could be a small relief rally. Bitcoin is pretty much oversold at the 4-hour time frame. You can see that really oversold right now. So that's pretty much it for this quick update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.